Hi everyone, this is Swati. Welcome to my channel. Today I would like to tell some tips to score good marks in your exams. Actually, some students are asking me why we could not get full marks even though we attempted complete paper. Here, along with your preparation and along with the writing the correct answer, presentation is very important. So now I will tell. Firstly, when you receive the question paper, first reaction is that you are not able to write any of the question. In that situation, take a deep breath and count to 10 slowly. It will help to calm down. Then read the question paper thoroughly. And then next select the questions, those prepared well practiced. And select that section. In general in degree exam, there are the two sections will be there, short answer type and then essay answer type. My best suggestion is that first go for the essay type because and if you are in a running out of time, you can't complete one essay, but you can attempt the short answers, 5 short answers within a short period, because you can at least to write the two points for each question, so you can get the 10 marks for that. So before that, you should plan out the time. First, to see the question number and time you have. Then, according to that, you have to plan it. For example, if you are in a 3 hour exam, if you have to write the 4 essays in the 5 short means approximately will get time 30 minutes for essay and remaining time 1 hour approximately for the short questions. Don't spend much time single essay or short, because if with the leftover time you can use it. If you add anything, you can add later. So planning of time is also very important. And now, how to your paper clean, make your paper clean and then presentable means first stop it that decorating the paper. Please don't decorate your paper with using the color pens. It's simply waste of time and you won't get any single extra mark for that. You can use only 2 pens here, black and then blue. One pen is for the heading and other pen is for that writing the text is enough. And the next thing is numbering of the questions also is very important. And some students are using that numbers means for first they started the first question, they're giving the number first one, and the next question they're giving the second answer, third one, third question. Not like that. Actually, what is the number in the question paper for particular topic? That number you should give in the answer sheet. For example, first you are writing the ninth question, you should write the ninth answer, the numbering also 9 only. And later, if you write the fifth one, you have to write the fifth answer, not first one and not the second one. And if you are writing along with your question numbers, you should write that heading of the question. For example, if you are writing that uh, a bacteria structure, that is question is there, you have to write the structure of the bacteria. That's enough. Don't need to write the full question. Why? Because sometimes your number is not visible properly, or if you have something that is false inside and that is not properly scanned, that heading will tell which question you attempt there. So that is important. And along with these, if you are writing your answer in the point wise, that point should always inside the margin, not outside the margin. This is wrong way. In you always the point numbers and any types of particular topic, that number should be inside the margin. So remember this tip also. And the next thing is keeping the side headings and underlining the keywords also is very important. This keeping the side headings and underlining the keywords, it looks neat and it's more noticeable to the examiner, and that examiner also no need put extra extra effort to read your complete answer. The examiner will understood what you written your complete answer there. And for these diagrams and graphs or any formulas outlines, so this is also can help to your answer. It's more noticeable to the examiner and he can score full marks for that question. So these are very important. If your paper will be look neat and clear. And one more the tip is space. Leave the space, word to word and answer to answer is very important. Don't squeeze 10 words in a single line or same line. And don't bunch up or avoid that bunching of the sentence together. Okay, and leave the space at least 2 lines. Leave that answer to answer. That is also very useful, and actually that is clearly understood where your fresh answer started, and there is no chance to miss any answer from the examiner eye. So it is also very helped. So that's why leave the space answer to answer. If time is available, then later also you can draw the margins, draw the lines between the answer to answer. So I hope everyone follow these tips. Please remember these tips and follow this. It can immensely increase your score in your exam. All the best. Thank you.